Lympung Asmita League table tennis tournament na benta ki samlakin thei ki bahapo ka khat news nam karta balapin long da ko office jong u district sport haringkat ka jingtre lang bat ka Khelo India kalapin kut no henin ka sngi ha Nongstoin hakani ka jingile kai lawani shimbenta digi khat prangot ki samlakin thei hakaba ka samla dapi bankmen so shang kalayo khor ya ka nam job Katba ka samla lansira marak bat ka samla iba pensyai paryong kilayo ya kanam lado ha ka jingile kailang arngut. Kathong jong kani ka Lympung ka long ban kentiu ya ki samla kenthei ha kalyang ka sport. Ha kani ka Lympung lawan ya shimbenta da u deputy director KHASI training center u Triratna Chavan bat kiwe ki he officer na kalyang ka sport.
Important day today that we celebrate the womanhood. So all women have equal right as a men. So this year's Women's Day theme is right, equality and empowerment. So you all have the rights equal to the boys and men. You are not a second gender. You are is as good as the first gender itself. So today, you need to understand that you have to enforce your rights. You have to speak for yourself. You have to come up and express yourself, whatever may be the medium. You are the flag bearer for this society.
Katanat pulit peniat kali karibhoy hapo